How to cash out on Cash App. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today's video I'll be showing you how you can cash out on Cash App. So in order to cash out on Cash App, all you have to do is just watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. Now first of all, you need to log in into your Cash App account, and once you're logged into your Cash App account, tap the dollar icon located in the bottom left hand side corner of your screen. So after you tap on it, next page you'll be taken to My Cash. So here you'll need to go ahead and tap on Cash Out. So as soon as you click on the Cash Out button, on next page you'll be asked to enter in the exact amount that you wish to cash out. So enter in the amount and click on Cash Out. Once done, there will be some sort of confirmation. So if you're sure about it, then click the Cash Out button once again. So lastly, all you have to do is just go through all of the information that you've provided. If you're sure about it, then click the close button, and as soon as you've done that, you've successfully cashed out on Cash App. So in that way you can cash out on Cash App. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.